The average mass of 3 boys, Andy, Brandon and Charles, is 42 kg. Andy is 3 kg lighter than Brandon. The total mass of Andy and Brandon is the same as the mass of Charles. What is the mass of Brandon? Step number 1. Find the total mass of Andy, Brandon and Charles. So that will be 42 times 3, 126 kg. Okay, so this is the total for the 3 people, Andy, Brandon and Charles. Now Andy is 3 kg lighter than Brandon. So how do we draw a model for that? For Andy and Brandon, Andy will be a smaller box, Brandon will be a bigger box, bigger by 3 kilograms. Charles, on the other hand, let's see. The total mass of Andy and Brandon is the same as Charles. Okay, so bear in mind there's a blank here which is 3 kg, okay? And for Charles, we need to take Andy's and Brandon's. So we add these two up together, then we can get Charles' model. So for Charles, we will have one big box just like Brandon. Remember, this is 3 kg as well, okay? Plus, don't forget, we will add Andy's box as well. Andy's box is smaller. Okay, so this is Andy's. And at the end, we can put a dotted one here with 3 kg. Total mass of these 3 people, 126 kilograms. Alright? Now, take note. To find the mass of Brandon, we will take this as 1 unit. Right? Now, if this is 1 unit, Andy's will not be 1 unit. He will be 3 kgs lesser than a unit. Same for this part as well at the end. So what we can do is to add 3 kgs, another 3 kg to the total. Okay, why do we do that? So that we get 1 complete unit for Andy, another complete unit for Brandon, another one for Charles over here, and yet another one right here. So in total, 4 complete units. But we have to add 3 plus 3 plus 126. So the new total mass will be 126 plus 3 plus 3. That will be 132 kg. Okay, so again, 132 will now be for 1 complete unit here, plus another complete unit for Brandon, plus another one for Charles, plus yet another one for Charles. So total 1, 2, 3 and 4 complete units. So 4 units will be equals to 132 kg. 1 unit will be equals to 132 divided by 4, 33 kg. Okay, so 33 kg will then be the value of 1 nice unit like this. Of course, if they were to ask you, hey, what's Andy's mass? That will be 33 minus away 3. Okay, so final answer for this question, what's Brandon's mass? That will be 33 kilograms.